Hello kapamilya and kapuso, and today we're gonna cook beef steak or bistec Tagalog, which is in Spanish bistec means beef steak. So today we're gonna show you our own dish in Filipino style. We will need onion, garlic, soy sauce, ground black pepper, beef which is cut into thin slices like that, lemon, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. So let's start by marinating the beef first. Let's put it in the separate bowl. This is really need so that our steak is gonna be saucy or yummy kasi nanonood na ang sauce sa loob ng karne. So like that. Then we'll add the soy sauce. You can do 1/4 cup or it depends to you. Depends on your taste. And then next is the ground black pepper. This will add smell and aroma to your marinated beef. And then next is let's squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon as this will add savory flavor to your bistec later. Just remove the pips or yung seeds ng lemon and then halo the 1 teaspoon of sugar. It will help balance your bistec, and then make halo-halo. Just be sure your hands are clean, and then set aside for 2 hours in the fridge. Then ready your pan. Put a little butter for our next step. Just let it melt. Once melted na ang butter, slowly add the onion rings. You need to saute it, not make it brown, but just cook it slightly for the finishing touch of our bistec Tagalog later. By the way guys, you can use oil instead of butter. Remove the sauteed onion rings, then set aside it for later. In the same pan, let's fry the marinated beef. You don't need to deep fry it, just lightly fry. That makes it a little bit brown. So it's done guys. Now you're gonna remove it from the pan and just set aside for later. Still in the same pot or pan, let's saute the garlic that we had a while ago. Then add the beef that we fried a while ago. Then add the marinated sauce that we have from the beef. And in this portion, you can add more seasoning to our bistec just to enhance the flavor that we have. And then let's simmer it to medium heat for about 20 minutes or until the meat is tender. So after a few minutes, you can see the sauce is already reduced. If you want to know if the meat is already tender, you can taste it and take a bite. Then I add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch that's dissolved to water and make it hollow so that the sauce of the bistec will be sticky. But still, it's up to you guys if you want it or not. It's not necessary. Then add the sauteed onion rings on the top for a final touch. Yay! And it's done. Trust me guys, it's really yummy. And even my husband loves it. Not only for Filipino dish but also for aliens. Thank you for watching everyone, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you once again. God bless everyone. Bye bye.